Today we're covering the bow and arrow stance, or the bow stance. But first, let's open and warm up. Shift the weight to the right, fully pouring all the weight into the right leg. Allowing the left leg to become empty so that we can pick up the heel, pick up the toe, place it to the side and down, 50-50, Wuji. Arms float up. Inhale. Exhale. You can close your eyes and relax if you feel safe. Floating up. Sinking down. Arms float up like a wave is lifting them up effortlessly. And then the wave drops them back down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Float. Sink. Breathing in and breathing out. And the hands float down. We're focusing on stepping and stances. We're going to shift the weight to the left. Fully. Make sure the left foot is fully weighted. A little bit more. Sink more. Relax more. Pull it in. Step out. Right in line with your hip. Heel down. Toe down. Shift your weight forward so that 60% or 70% of your weight, most of your weight, is on the front leg, the right leg. Shift your weight back. Sit back. Sit down. About 60% or 70% is in this sit back stance. A little bit more, it's an empty stance. I can lift it up. Lift it up. Shift your weight forward and back. As we go forward, the back leg straightens but doesn't lock. All these joints in the legs, in the arms, everywhere are loose and open. As we flow back and forward, back and forth. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. This is the bow stance. An arch, like a pulled bow, strong and supportive to the front. Our weight, mostly to the front. Sitting back, empty stance. Heel down, heel up, coming in, stepping out to the side. Shift our weight to the right. Pull in the left. Tap, step, flow, forward and back. Inhale and exhale, or just breathe spontaneously. But you do want to breathe. Flow. Sit back, roll back, empty, tap, 50-50. That was the bow and arrow stance. Stepping in, getting into the stance as we step into a stance. And if we stop at any point along the way, that step becomes a stance. Inhale as we cool down. Gather chi from heaven. Relax from head to toe. Breathe out a sigh of relief. Inhale up. Sigh of relief. Ha sound. Like you're fogging up a mirror. Inhale up. Float up. Sink down. Breathing in. Relaxing from head to toe. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Thank you for joining me.